Hi everyone, and welcome to the DPP Minute. This week we're going big. Environmental impact.
Indeed, environmental impact. And it took a major hit in the JRC's new direction. We went from full product lifecycle to only looking at the manufacturing stage of the environmental impact. And the JRC took it even further down to only look at the carbon emission of that manufacturing stage. And now, again, no performance requirements. We're looking at only information requirement, and it's all about this apparel's environmental impact against a baseline score.
Yeah, and the practical takeaway of that is that this becomes a supply chain data problem, right? This is not a PIM problem. This is not a DAM problem. This is information that you'll find in a procurement contract, right? And if you haven't got it in there, you're going to add a clause and start collecting now. So I would start talking to your suppliers about it now.
Indeed. And that's the DPP Minute.
See you next time.